sorry. David, you came back for your regularly top-up treatment today, okay?
Yes.
It's very hot. Sorry for your suffer from the heat. Okay, so can you remember that's many years ago, 5 or 6 years ago, and you suffer from hiccup, constant hiccup, isn't it? And then you couldn't get rid of it, and you have to come here to treat it.
I went to the doctor.
Yeah.
He gave me some drugs.
Yeah.
Diazepam, I think it was.
Yeah.
And it made no difference at all.
No different for the hiccup.
No. And my wife said, "Why don't you call Dr. Zhao?"
Yeah.
I called you, and you said, "Come in, and I can cure it."
Yeah. Yes, because I experienced
So
it.
I came in, and you gave me treatment.
Yeah, neck treatment, mainly neck, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
And I went home, but the next morning I had hiccups again.
Yeah.
I called you, and you said, "Come straight back."
Yeah.
I came back, and you gave me more treatment. And I think you gave me some special tea,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and that seemed to cure it.
Yeah.
But the next morning,
Yeah.
I've got hiccups again.
Yeah.
I called you, and you said, "Come straight back in."
Yeah.
So on the third visit, you gave me a treatment where you put pressure
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
just
Like
above
you.
my eyebrows, where
Yeah.
there's two little grooves,
Yeah.
and it was so painful. I said to you, you made a grown man cry.
Yeah. Got out of
But it's cured the hiccups.
Yeah. Okay. Never come back, isn't
And I
it?
haven't had hiccups since that I
Yeah.
can remember.
And I remember you. And you read some newspaper, somebody else have a constant hiccup.
It was on the
and you
radio.
said, "Oh, they should come to you." I said, "Okay, yeah, I can't cure it, but they cannot come, or they don't know
yeah.
me."
Yes, it was. I think it was a young girl who'd had hiccups.
Constantly, isn't it?
It was on the radio.
Yeah.
She just couldn't stop.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, so you sent me, yes, I said, yes, I can't cure it, but you do have the chance to meet them. And also, when I was in China, a guy in the hospital, some doctor's uncle had some Western medicine drugs to treat something. That hiccup constantly, nobody, no acupuncture, nothing can stop it. And then I said, okay, let me try. Then I squeezed the neck hard and almost make him cry. And then stopped immediately in 5 minutes. Everybody on the surrounded, oh, thank you. And surprised. I said, it's just to stimulate the sympathetic nerves because the vagus nerve overworking. Because exposed to some drugs or something makes the vagus nerve irritated and they contract too much. Cannot relax. And then sympathetic nerve can against it and make it pain or sweating and then shock. And this can stop it. Yeah. So since then I treat many in Newcastle. I treat somebody constant hiccup and that's cured. And here also a few people. If they have a small hiccup.
It's amazingly debilitating when you have constant hiccups.
Yeah, you cannot control. It's autonomic nerves.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's great. Thank you for the talking. All right. Okay.